Hello guys, hope you are doing great. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Facebook friends. Okay, before you continue, please remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you find this video useful. Okay, let's get started without wasting much time. Click on these four bars here. Now go to settings and privacy. Now you'll be able to see privacy center like this, but I guess most of Facebook apps do not have this. This is an updated version. Just go back. You cannot see that. Then under settings and privacy, click on settings. Then search settings. Now just type friends. Then you can see who can see my friend list. Click on who can see your friend list. Okay. Now you can see here it's public, but you can just toggle it to friends except. Then you can choose who cannot see that friend. Then specific friends. Then if you want only to know your friends, just click on only me. This will ensure the highest level of privacy. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.